In this video, we're going to be discussing percentiles and deciles. Now, percentile is similar to the word percentage. It's when a data set is split up into 100 equal chunks. Now, we're actually familiar with this idea before because our lower quartile that we've spoken about previously, the value that is a quarter of the way through the data, is actually our 25th percentile. And again, the upper quartile, which is 3/4 of the way through the data, is our 75th percentile. Now, on top of that, we have these things called deciles. Now, this is just where the values or the data set is split up into 10 equal chunks. So it's a very similar idea. We just want to see how far into our data we need to go. So if we look at an example, so we've got a university surveyed 60 mathematics graduates on their starting salary. The cumulative frequency graph shows some of the information about the salaries. Now it's asking us to work out the 35th percentile, but unfortunately our value here is not 100, so we can't just go to the 35th value in. So what we're going to do is we're going to take how many values we've got and multiply it by this 35th percentile as a decimal, 0.35. Now, if we do that, it's going to give us 21. So we want the 21st bit of data. So we get our ruler, we find where 21 is on our cumulative frequency, draw across, and draw directly down and read it off. So if I've drawn that down, we've got 20,000 here, 30,000 is here. I think that's £27,000. So our 35th percentile is 27,000. Now the next question asks for the 6th decile. Now the way I think of this is the 60th percentile. So I always tend to deal with it as percentiles. So again, we're going to take the 60 for our value here and multiply it by this thing as a decimal. So that'll be 0.6. So we multiply those two values together. We want the 36th value. We get our ruler. We find where 36 is and draw across until we hit the line. And then we're going to draw down and read it off. So our 60th percentile is, that's 30, 1, 2. So we've got 32,000.